Hello there, everybody. Welcome back. Still the first day of spring. My son and I just finished taking off all the palm boxes. Well, all except two. I'm gonna keep two of them on the more sensitive palms that I have, which is Robellini or Pygmy Dab palm and a Sago palm. But with one more week before I take those off. I just wanted to show you how big this baby's gotten in about five. This is his fourth year in the ground. And this one is about 8 years old, but I planted it in the ground about 4 years ago. I'm going to stand right next to it. I'm 5'7", so you'll see how tall it is. Look how big she's gotten. Look at that healthy frond coming out in the center. Beautiful. It did quite well over the winter. Let's go take a closer look. Nice and healthy, nice and green. Pristine, almost like the day I put her in the box. Look how pretty she is. Anyway, let's go up to the front and we'll check out a couple of my other palms. These right here are the bananas, which I opened up already. They already started growing. My Sago is right there, and it will remain boxed for another week. Don't want to take any chances. This is my Robellini here, and she will remain boxed because I don't want to take chances on her. This is my other smaller Washi. She's been here. This is her second season overwintering. She looks amazing too. Nice and healthy. This is my other smaller Tracky. Back in February, I found a little fungus on it. Was able to put fungicide before it got any real damage on it. The frond came out real nice and she looks nice and healthy. This is my baby Pindo here. Fifth season, starting this year. And I will open her up in about a second. Let me see if I can put this down and actually see. Look at that beauty. Nice and healthy, nice and green. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go see my other Tracky. This is the baby one that I nursed back to health once he had a spear pull. Little rugged, but the spear is coming out nicely. And she's gonna recover fully. Hopefully a little tender loving care, a little fertilizer, and she'll be nice and green before you know it. It's my other Tetracarpus fortuna. And let's see if we take her apart too. Alrighty. Look at that beauty. did well too. Everything's nice and green, nice and big. Look at that. Gorgeous. Alrighty, let's leave it there for now. Take care of yourselves and God bless.